Advertising in general is built on three types of medium: text, image and video. It has been proven many times that video is one that produces the best engagement, simply because it introduces the viewer to a product in the best possible way. When a marketeer creates an ad for a product, they either highlight its features or craft an ad that showcases its benefits, and what we'll see over the next few slides is this. In this first example taken from YouTube, you can see an image of the user interacting with the Babbel app. And the movie is showing us how the person is communicating with their friends nearby using the app and seeing if they want to meet up. So it's demonstrating a real life scenario where you might want to use the app. So you become her, looking for your friends whilst you are on your travels. And it's a very powerful marketing message getting you to be in the position of the user in that scenario. The second example is of a video promoting the Wildfire app, and this app is an app that warns people of nearby dangers, and their advert combines video of the app's functionality with text to tell a story, and this is a very good combination as you cannot guarantee that people will be listening to the video, so using text to tell a story is very good. Normally these promo videos, not just this one but all promo videos, have an upbeat or powerful audio track, and lengthwise, as you can see in this example, it's just over 1 minute, but they're normally between 1 and 3 minutes, normally edging towards the 1 minute rather than the 3 minute. 12 minutes, just searching YouTube for app promo videos, just to get some ideas what videos are out there and what video works for you, because your product is different to other people's products, your app is different to other people's. But also check out your competitors. They might have videos on YouTube, and see how they connect to their users, what story are they telling, and see what you can learn from them and others. Before you rush ahead and make a marketing video, there's a few considerations that we'll quickly discuss. Firstly is how much time do you have to make videos? And do you have the level and skills to actually make the videos yourself, or should you be outsourcing them to people or companies that have the skills to do so? And why would someone in your target audience go to YouTube? Is this a place that they go regularly? And your persona development from the earlier chapter will actually help you develop whether they would use YouTube. And can you also provide value that stands head and shoulders above your competition as far as the video is concerned? And also, will your content be popular on the YouTube channel? So you might spend a lot of time and money developing a video or movie, and actually people might not be watching it or might not be popular at all. But of course you never know for sure whether content strategy will work or not. But if you already see it working for others, then you're on a pretty good chance that it will work for you.